Clashes that have been reported in Mandya. The first reaction coming in from Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, who was assured that strictest possible action would be taken. And this is coming at a time when there is a lot of political accusations that are also taking place against the Congress Sarkar in Karnataka. Yes, Meghna.
Well, absolutely, Amita. In fact, this is the first post coming in from the Chief Minister of Karnataka in the statement that he's put it out. I'm going to read it out in English. It says, it's clear that the stone pelting which took place at Mandya district at the time of Ganesh Visarjan is an act of miscreants which threatens peace and tranquility in the society. The government has taken very serious action against it. More than 50 people have been arrested already. And our first priority is to maintain peace and order in the society. He also says that action will be taken indiscriminate of which religion the miscreants belong to, saying in the past 1.5 years, without any riots or any violence in the country which has happened, which was like a garden of peace for all the races, all the religions, ruthlessly has been crushed. There are those who are trying to divide on religious grounds regardless of their caste and their religion. I request the public to cooperate with us by maintaining peace and restraint without succumbing to the incitement. So this is the political part of it, where he's saying that there is incitement which is happening to try and disturb the communal peace. We can obviously read between the lines for what the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Siddaramaiah, has to say.
Absolutely. For now, saying and giving the assurance that strictest possible action would be taken. Meghna, thank you very much for the moment. Let's also talk about the State Home Minister of the state of Karnataka, who has reacted to the flare-up. We talk about how he says now that the situation is under control. Police deployment has been made and over 50 individuals have been placed under arrest.
During the Ganesha procession, somebody has pelted stones on the procession, and in retaliation, these people have also responded similarly. And now everything is under control. We have arrested about 52 persons on both the sides. They have lit fire and all that. All that has been controlled. Nothing to worry now. Senior officers are camping there, and we have sent additional force. There should not be any further trouble.
BJP is saying Congress is doing politics of appeasement. That's why these things are happening.
It is not that question. It is not that we are trying to protect somebody. We are not trying to protect somebody. It is not like that. It is an incident which has happened, during the Ganesha festival.
Well, talking about saying that this is an incident that has happened and precautionary measures have been taken. However, we talk about the situation on ground where curfew has been imposed in the area post the clashes. As far as the Mandya district in charge is also concerned, he's taken stock of the situation this morning.
The situation now is peaceful. All are here. So IG, ADGP, DC, SP, all are here from yesterday to now. 144 section already is imposed. So everything is now peaceful.
Let's get in a word from Imran right now. Imran, talking about the current situation, the first reaction that is now coming in from Chief Minister Siddaramaiah.
Well, absolutely. It's for the first tweet the Chief Minister has responded over this Mandya incident, and in fact the district in charge minister had also visited a couple of hours before and assured the locals here that strict action will be done and no one will be punished irrespective of the communities. Right behind me is the carnage which happened yesterday night, where a Ganesh procession which was passing through is and stone pelting ensured, and you saw the visuals of it, how this building was burnt. It is just opposite to the police station here at Nangamangala police station, and many questions are raised whether the cops could have prevented this incident. Why was the intelligence so weak? The cops have responded saying that more than 400 processions were happening yesterday. This is the 5th day of the festival, and they were all stretched out over this particular incident. And now we can see that the politics are spread out over it, where they have BJP has alleged that the Congress is because of the appeasement politics. That's some sections of the minority have emboldened and carried out these attacks against the Hindus. In fact, C.T. Ravi, leader of opposition, or Ashok, will be also visiting this place, made very sharp criticism against the Congress government, saying that this is a Taliban-style government, and they said that the Hindus are being not protected by the Congress, which wants to appease the minorities. There is strong rebuttal came from the Home
political
Minister
angle and the aspect to which has also triggered post these clashes being reported in the Mandya district. But